In this series of videos, we're going to demonstrate in an informative and hopefully fun way how the TCX Tabletop Series outperforms this leading competitor. In this demonstration, we're going to compare the mass of the conventional tire changer and the TCX. To do this test, we're going to use this instrumented pallet jack that can measure weight. 646 pounds compared to 736 pounds. Clear advantage TCX. During this demonstration, we're going to compare press arm performance. Our test setup is as follows. We have a regulated air source, in this case set to 100 psi, feeding both tire changers. We have a load cell with a digital readout. So we're going to do a direct comparison of force measurements for both tire changers. Let's get started. Ready? Yep. Stabilized?
Looks like it.
Okay. So what we're seeing here is 518 pounds of force on the conventional tire changer and 668 on the TCX tire changer. So clear advantage TCX. Let's do that press arm test one more time, but in a much more visual way. So first off, our tabletops on the TCX series are nice and low, so we have to space it up a little bit. Then let's bring up our arm wrestling fixture is what we call this, okay? Basically a teeter-totter. Now we're going to press down on both sides and see which side is the most powerful. You ready?
Yep.
And that's all you got? Should we stop there? So what we can see here is clearly the TCX had more power. We can also see that the TCX press arm is not deflecting much, and the conventional tabletop changer's press arm is deflecting quite a bit more. So more power, less deflection, clear advantage TCX.